All right, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my Apex Trader Funding Payout Checker. This tool helps you figure out if your payout should be approved before you actually submit the request. It's super simple and it updates live as you fill things out. So this is the whole section on the left. It's where you put your actual numbers. The PA status, first thing is choose the PA status. Most people just choose active, but if the account is blown, failed to rebail, or canceled, you can select those too. Always double check and make sure that your account is indeed active. The account size, the tool automatically loads the right trailing drawdown and minimum balance rules based on this. We'll do 50K. You need approved payout so far. Put in how many payouts you've already had approved. The tool uses this to tell if you're on payout 1, 2, or 3. And remember that your 4th payout drops the safety net. The 6th payout drops the 30% rule and ends the payout caps. So let's put 2 just for the example. Next is the last payout status. Choose whether your last payout was approved or denied, or if you've ever had one. This affects how the 8-day count works. It's kind of the same though. If you've had a payout and it was approved, the 8-day trading count in the 5 days over $50 start the day after the approval. It's the same with the denial. And then put in your account balance. For this example, let's put 52, 8, 9. And then we'll put your desired payout. The minimum cap is $500, so you can put 500. Let's put 2,500 just to see. Highest profit day since last approval. Let's fake it and put this. So this was your biggest day since your last approval, of course, or denial. Trading days since last request. Trading days, we'll put 12. Over 8, and then how many days were over $50? We'll put 9. And then make sure the trading rule compliance is also checked off. Under that, you'll see contract scaling, 30% MAE, 5-to-1 risk to reward, no hedging, and 1 direction rule. If you need to learn more, you can click these links to make sure you are within, but let's see. Okay, so I checked them all. And as you can see, something may need fixing. Requested payout exceeds the max cap. And also here it says needs attention. If it says needs attention, you can click it. And here's the drop down showing these are everything that checks off. And this is what is wrong. Under max payout cap for this account and payout. So you have to be below 2,000. Balance exceeds safety net by amount over $500 requested. If I want a request of 2,500, I need a balance of 54.6. And I need that payout cap removed. So let me go back and adjust this to, I'll just do 500, the minimum. And now everything's green. And we have, should this payout be approved? Yes. And it shows you the estimated allowed payout range. I could do 500 to $885. And if you'd like to see the payout parameters, here they are. But this is the basics of the tool. Now, if I had 52, 4, 6, 9, 5, and I go here, it says needs attention. It would show you, 1, my consistency rule hits. So I hit $785, which is more than 30% of my overall balance. My highest day was $785. My total profit is $2,469. So I'm 1.8% over. And it does not meet safety balance. I have to be at 52.6 at or above. My current is this. Also, minimum $500 allowed, even if ending encroaches safety net by $500. I need more than or equal to 52,600 before requesting. Ending can be as low as 52,100. So I would have to fix this. So current balance is 52. I have to get over 52.6. And again, let's say, okay, I finally got over that. Let's see if that day still weighs. Nope, we're good. Highest day is 7,825. Total profit ratio is 29. So it's under 30%. So we're good. But yeah, if you have any questions over this or if anything's not working, let me know in the comments and I hope it helps.